What up, family? It's your boy Lando Success. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. Everybody been hitting me up. Bitcoin been going crazy. Crow been going crazy. Lando, where you been at? Running the bag up, dog. So I was talking to Chris yesterday. I'm like, man, or earlier today, I'm like, what I want to do is, because under Biden administration, crypto basically died. We didn't get the vibes. The views went down. When Trump went in office, the bag is being ran up, and now you got the excitement with it. So I would do a few testers where we can talk about it. We can tell you what I'm buying, and what I'll probably start doing is every video buy some crypto and show y'all what I'm buying, why I'm buying it, what we are doing. Let me know in the comments if y'all will actually want to see that. Will we run an account to 10K? I got all my coins, most of them in my wallet. So I got my, I believe, crypto.com and Coinbase clear. So looking at the market cap, just reached over close to 3 trillion, dog. It looked like it went down a little bit. 3 trillion crypto market cap in the last day, up over 1%. Bitcoin, 88,000, up 27% in the last week, people. Ooh, boy. And the highest on CoinMarketCap, did we hit 90? I know we hit 90 probably over on crypto.com, but on CoinMarketCap, right under it, ETH, 32 hundo. And the good thing about this, I'll talk about in a second, you got Solana, BNB. Right now, XRP is going crazy, up 15%, y'all, in the last day. So we have stuff that's still popping off. I seen Dogecoin was going wild yesterday at over 3 cents. And if we look at the news, what's going on? Bitcoin price surges 1 kg of gold as the value climbs to record levels. XRP price rare pattern points ripple to hit $1. Beautiful pattern to hit over $1. That would be beautiful because I still hold some XRP and I'm probably not going to sell it any time soon, but that is a beautiful pattern. So let's go what I want to talk to you guys about the first day back talking about it. So this is the deal. When it comes down to cryptocurrency, this is why I want a lot of new people, because we got a lot of young people and stuff, to know. My rule of thumb, because unfortunately, that's why I don't want to do a lot of videos, because you regurgitate the same things. My rule of thumb is to never buy in on a green day. Orlando, what do you mean by that, right? So if we go over and we look at Bitcoin, in the last 24 hours, my rule of thumb, 24 hours, Bitcoin is technically green, so I wouldn't buy Bitcoin. Ethereum is red. I will buy Ethereum. Solana is red. I will buy Solana. So I'm looking for who is down the most and the reason why I don't do that. So for example, let's say why is it not letting me expand? They used to. They must have changed it. There we go. Gotta do it this way. So when you look at it like this, right? The last time Bitcoin went to as high, it went 67,000. We're just gonna round it up and say 70,000. Most people bought in right here with FOMO and fear of loss, fear of missing out, right? And what happened is you bought in at 70,000 and it crashed all the way down to damn near 15,000. Most people sold down here because they're like, man, it's about to go to zero. So you bought in right here, you sold right here, you lost 70% of your money plus, and you pissed off. But if you held, you had November 2021 high, and you had to wait until to 2024 for it to reach that level again. Think of that. You had to wait 3 years before you broke even, and now finally just start making some money. So I prefer you guys to buy in right here, right here, right here. Like, just keep on buying in on red days. That's the goal. So looking at things today, right? So I cleared out my my Coinbase. And first thing first, if you're building a new portfolio, you can start with the major five, the Bitcoin, Ethereum, the Crow or BNB, depending on which one you like, the Cardano, the Polygons, or Solana, one of the two, however you want to do it. And you can start with the crazy stuff like the Doge coins and things. So what I'm looking for is within my watch list of the stuff I like, who have the biggest dip over the last 24 hours. Right now, Crow is at 7%. What else? Shiba, Hex. I ain't rocking with no Hex. Luna. So right now, it look like Crow is the buy. Coming over here, let's see if we can see anything that's more down than that. And I'm usually looking within the top 100. If you're not in the top 100, you probably ain't gonna get a date with your boy. So bam, Crow it is. So what we're doing is taking $100 and we about to buy us 529 Crow. Let me switch this over so y'all can't see, just in case they have some security stuff that I don't want to see. Save $3 on this trade. I will have to learn about that later. Order submitted. We will email you once it's set. So actually, it's just did it because I use bought this stuff from my phone. But we like Crow. Looking at it, Crow been going absolutely insane. In the last month, up 133%. Insane, yo. This is nothing but gains, nothing but wins, because now people need crypto. They want to get involved. They want to get in the game. We couldn't complete your order due to error. So let's try which account. Actually, it's this account that I know that I use. We're unable. I just got an email. All right, this is the account that I know that I actually use since I've been over here in a while. So let's try this again. See if we have some monies in the account. But if you look at Crow, y'all know this channel went crazy. See, successful. Bam, we are good. Went crazy with Crow, and we went all the way up to right about $1. And things just been chilling. But now, with Trump being in office, the volume over the last 24 hours, over 1 billion, y'all. Think of that, over $1 billion, because people want to know where they going to buy this stuff at. Usually you're going to go to Binance, you're going to go crypto.com, you're going to go to Coinbase, something like that. So that's what it makes sense. So bam, so we just got $100 of Crow. That's where we at today. Our account is at 113. What else do I have that just was sitting here? Some what's my assets? We got Crow, Stellar, some stake, Ethereum. Why is that sitting there? I don't know. They just be giving away stuff. So that's what we're rocking with today. We're going to probably rock again tomorrow. Let me know in the comments if y'all want the crypto videos back, where I'm letting you know what's popping, what's the right ones to buy. Let's run the back all the way up. See you guys soon, and I'm gone.